Hey guys, happy holidays. Hope your winter break is going well, and for those of you in the southern hemisphere, I hope you're having a mild summer. This is Rose. Normally, Rose is kind of hidden somewhere else, and I don't mean that in a bad way. She's normally hanging out with my son, but he's not here, so she's in the office with me. She's my shadow. Snoopy is over there asleep. These dogs have it so rough. But anyway. Alright, so the reason I'm doing this video is I finally got rid of the Dell PowerEdge T605. It's here on the floor, and I will be taking it into the garage here shortly. But we got Frankenstein with its old drives in the back. Okay. And just kind of show you guys. Well, I think it's still booting up, so we'll check. Nope, it's up. So let's go over here. And sorry, I'm using my camera. I just wanted to show a quick video. So do a quick refresh. Here it is. And here's the NAS. We'll go ahead and get it started. And what I'm pretty excited about is, alright, so you see that the server has a total of 12 drives. And if you notice over on the left hand side, okay, the ones where the blue lights are coming on, those are the drive set up for Proxmox. And over on the right hand side, okay, those are the ones that I did a bypass through, and I will be doing a video showing that. So I did get that done. We're going to be adding the drives from Frankenstein here shortly, but I'm pretty excited because I got everything moved over. Got a number of drives added, as you guys can see, and these were on the old system. I actually was able to you know, give them more resources because we're not really using a lot yet. And then we'll click on Nexus real quick and go to the summary. These graphs are beautiful, but there's the graph, and there's our 16 cores, okay? And we are using 70 gigs of memory, not 76 like I thought it was, but that's fine. But right now, like I said, we're set up. So, you know, it's up, it's running, okay? And real quick, we're gonna pause it here for a second because I'm going. Well, you know what? So, let's. Yeah, we're fine. Anyway, I was going to pause it, but I just want to show this. I'll do a more in-depth video. But no, project success. And it helps that I have the winter break. Okay? And I did a hardware bypass. So, yeah, my TrueNAS is really using those drives, and it's nice. So I have over there 10 terabytes, plenty of enough space to put images and videos and stuff like that. So we're moving along. And I did a video for you guys earlier about the CWWK. I'm going to be redesigning this, okay, to put that in there. And that's going to be another TrueNAS, and eventually I'm going to try to get it up to, for now we'll do 4 2-terabyte drives, and I'm going to rate them. So I'll have 6 terabytes, and for this small little lab, it should be fine. But anyway, that's it. Hope everyone is having a great holiday, and keep watching. More to come on my home lab rebuild.